Orange RockCorps. The activity that I done was great. We got to paint and clean and just generally do things to help the community, which was really good and fun. And I'm really grateful for having the opportunity. So now I'm at the Manchester Apollo. I'm about to go and see N-Dubz and Lady Gaga, and I can just imagine how great it's gonna be. Because even today, like, I've woke up this morning, chilled with friends and stuff, and I've kind of known all day I'm going to a concert this evening. So it's just really good to be thanked in that way. So I'd like to say thank you, Orange RockCorps.